The Congress is in damage control mode, and it is KC Venugopal who has stepped into action. There are multiple leaders who've come out in support of Arvinder Singh Lavli, and these are leaders from the Congress party. Earlier today, you saw Arvinder Singh Lavli meeting Sandeep Dixit. You saw what happened outside Arvinder Singh's residence. But let's tell you what has happened when it comes to KC Venugopal. KC Venugopal currently is discussing this internal squabbling that's taking place in the Congress party in Delhi. We are also getting to know that KC Venugopal is currently dialing one leader after the other in the Congress's Delhi unit, and he's discussing what exactly is causing so much resentment within the party. Shivani is going to join us live, and she's joining us live as we get you the latest. Arvinder Singh Lavli just addressed the media, Shivani. He went on to say that he has quit from his post. He now wants to talk to party workers, and he's not going to join any political party just yet. This is what he's telling the media. Number two, you have leaders of the Congress party who are currently trying to, ensure what's happening, because we are bang in the middle of elections. 2 phases are done. More than 100 seats polling took place. And now when it comes to Delhi, one top leader has quit and he's dropped a bombshell. What is the Congress party strategy at this point of time, Shivani?
Sagarika, certainly this is quite worrisome for the Congress party when right ahead of the Lok Sabha election in Delhi, the DPCC has resigned. Arvinder Singh Lavli has resigned, and that too giving reasons that he was not happy with the selection of the candidates for the Delhi seats, and also with the alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party. And so the General Secretary, KC Venugopal, he's the organizational General Secretary, he's dialing the leaders and trying to know what is going wrong in Delhi Congress. Why is there so much of resentment? Why is the party lacking in convincing their own leaders regarding the election? Because this is the time when the party workers need to work on ground. Hardly a few days left for election in Delhi, and the other parties, including the BJP, is campaigning on ground while the DPCC, Arvinder Singh Lavli, has resigned. And now there is a search
there's one
for
question that comes
DPCC.
to everyone's mind, that does the Congress party's top leadership, or do the top leaders of Congress party really not know what's going on within? Because here this is not a one-off resignation. Bang in the middle of elections, you have a top leader of the Congress party resigning in Delhi. He's saying that I have the support of many MLAs, I have the support of Karyakartas, and I've quit because the Karyakartas are unhappy. So if the Karyakartas on the ground are unhappy with the Congress, are we to believe that the top brass has absolutely no information about this?
Certainly, this indicates that there is a big communication gap within the party, especially when it comes to the workers on the ground and the top leadership of the party. We all know about the approachability and accessibility of the top party leaders to the Karyakartas on ground, and the resignation of Arvinder Singh Lavli, and not only his resignation, but a lot of resentment and voices of difference coming out from the Congress party have been indicating that there is some issue in the party and communication is not proper. Especially the organizational communication is lacking behind. That's what has been the indication after Arvinder Singh Lavli's resignation too, as because we were talking to Deepak Babaria, who's the in charge of the Delhi Congress. He also said that he wanted to choose the candidates who were selected by the party high command and who were best for the party. Certainly there were differences among the Karyakartas, among the workers and the leaders of the Congress, the Delhi Congress, but he had to make a choice.
So Shivani, it doesn't end at that. Number one, you have Arvinder Singh Lavli quitting, writing a letter, naming leader after leader of the Congress party, especially like you were talking about Deepak Babaria, and now Deepak Babaria also has spoken to Times Now. But today, things became ugly right outside Arvinder Singh Lavli's residence. There was an MLA of the Congress party, a former MLA. His name is Asif Mohammed. He reached Arvinder Singh Lavli's doorstep at a time when his supporters were raising slogans in his favor. Then he went on to tell the supporters of Arvinder Singh Lavli that whatever is happening with Arvinder Singh Lavli is a plot of the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. Then he went on and took a name of another Congress leader, and he said that Congress leader Subhash Chopra is behind the resignation. Watch how that drama played out.